this video, we're going to be talking about how to recover Snapchat spectacles footage. So let's just get straight into the video. First is going to be checking Snapchat memory. If the footage was successfully imported, it will be in your Snapchat application. Swipe up from the camera screen to open memories, and then simply go ahead and look for the snaps option right over here. And then once you've done so, you will go ahead and find it. If you don't find it, ensure your spectacles have over 10% battery. Turn on your Bluetooth and Wi-Fi on your phone and keep these spectacles nearby. And then open Snapchat, tap on your profile icon, and then head into your settings just like that. And then once you've done that, you want to simply go ahead and tap on spectacles to check if there are pending items. So I hope this video clarified everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.